Hello, Miriam at the Bureau with your national weather forecast for tomorrow, Friday the 11th of October. Now we've got a few things going on across Australia tomorrow. Showers and storms through parts of the west, driven by this low pressure trough digging in from the north. That trough actually horseshoes back around all the way through Queensland as well, and is partially responsible for the ongoing heat wave conditions we're seeing across those far northern parts of the country. Plenty of settled weather on the way for much of eastern Australia tomorrow, thanks to this high pressure system starting to push in from the west. We do have a weak cold front crossing Tasmania, however, bringing another burst of showers and windy conditions, although it won't be as wet or windy as fronts we've seen over the previous few weeks. A few showers about the southern and central New South Wales coast, with the risk of some storms as well, and onshore showers for Queensland. Let's take a closer look at all of that now, starting with Queensland. So it'll be a mostly settled day through Queensland tomorrow, warm and dry across inland parts with ongoing heatwave conditions across western parts of the Cape York Peninsula. Now it'll be a little bit cooler along the east coast with a few onshore showers. Low rainfall totals are expected. For Brisbane, we're heading for a partly cloudy day, top of 25 degrees. New South Wales will see a cool but mostly clear start to the day, warming up through the afternoon and evening with a few showers moving through the southern and central coastal areas as this low pressure trough, this blue dashed line here, brushes up the coast. Now this trough may also trigger some thunderstorms about those central ranges, particularly around the Blue Mountains to the west of Sydney. We might see some severe thunderstorms later tomorrow, bringing the risk of damaging winds and large hail. Communities should keep a close eye on the radar and the Bureau's warnings page in case we need to issue anything around that system there. In terms of the temperatures, Sydney is heading for a warm top of 24 degrees tomorrow. Down in Canberra, top of 25. For Victoria now, foggy, frosty conditions to kick the day off, and then mostly sunny skies north of the ranges. A little bit cloudier in the south with a few patchy showers moving through, but not much expected in terms of rainfall totals. Melbourne heading for a mostly sunny top of 17 degrees tomorrow. Tasmania will see that weak cold front moving through during the day tomorrow, bringing a fresh burst of showers mainly impacting western parts. A few gusty winds at times as well, and we might also see some small hail in the south. For Hobart though, it'll be a fairly mild top of 17 degrees tomorrow. South Australia can expect fogs and frosts through southeastern agricultural areas, otherwise a dry and mostly sunny day, apart from a few patchy showers in the far west, driven by a system higher up in the atmosphere, not at the surface. For Adelaide, we're looking at a fairly settled, sunny top of 21 degrees. In the west, we'll see showers and storms across northern and central inland parts of the state, as well as a few showers pushing into those southeastern areas too. We've got a west coast trough deepening, dragging heat down from the north. Perth is expected to get to 31 degrees tomorrow, and if we reach that top maximum temperature, it'll be the warmest day since April this year. We might also see some dry thunderstorms across parts of the southwest land division through tomorrow afternoon and evening. Finally, in the north, we've got showers and storms through parts of northern Western Australia with a few patchy showers around the top end coast. Fairly humid in those northern coastal areas as well, with ongoing severe to locally intense heatwave conditions through the western top end and parts of the Kimberley. Darwin heading for a top of 35 degrees tomorrow. At Alice Springs, also 35 but much drier inland. You can find the detailed forecast for your area via the Bureau's website or the BOM social media. Have a good night, and we'll catch you in the next update.